Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our quick analysis. It's Monday, guys. It's Monday, and it seems like we don't really have much of a bigger moves. But on Friday, we saw Nasdaq trying to reverse and stuff like that. But don't forget that this Friday is that NFP week Friday. So which means things are going to be way too interesting. So you can see that we started with a dollar index. Guys, bear with me here. I think my connection is going to be quite slower if maybe we're changing the charts. But anyways, as you can see that we are on dollar index, we are still on this nice downtrend structure, and it seems like the market is struggling to break this support area. So which means the market, it will just continue maybe to consolidate around these levels until we get that breakout. So we don't know if maybe this will happen on Friday when we have NFP. That is possible, but it might even happen before that, you see. But if it's going to be positive, if NFP is going to be positive, we will see the market trying to go higher. But I'm expecting it to reach this level around before maybe we see a nice reversal. That's what I am actually expecting at the moment. I don't really expect much because we can easily see that already the market gave us a proper reversal, guys. From this breakout, we saw a nice sell from this bullish move. So from there, we can still see that the market is struggling. So it's up to the market whether it wants to just consolidate, because this is a consolidation, or maybe the market will end up breaking lower. But I still expect to see the market going even lower, as we expect to see the rate cuts going down, you see. So we still expect that. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Sorry. So now let's go straight to Gbpusd. What's really happening? You can see that, yeah, my structure is still the same as yesterday. Yeah, I think it's yesterday on Sunday. So we can still see that we are still on that nice uptrend structure. So we still expect to see the market going even higher. So if I can zoom a little bit here for you to see, we can see that we are playing around our resistance area. Do you see that? So if the market breaks out of this, then we will know very well that, you know what, it's time for us to jump on that buy again, because at the moment the market is still playing around this resistance. Maybe the market will end up breaking out. Someone can say, Kenzo, do you see something like that? Yes, I do see something like that, but it means if we break out there, we will look for that nice buy. But if the market breaks out here, we will wait for the market to respect this previous structure there as a previous resistance. So it's going to be a nice buy, or maybe a nice support, sorry. So from this area, we can look for another buy for the market to keep going higher. I hope that makes sense. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, guys. I'm still trying to fix my connection. I think this week we're still gonna have some issues with my connection because I was still trying to move around. So anyways, now we are on gold. What's really happening on gold? We can see that gold has been going up, guys. Gold has been going higher and higher. You can see that where we are, we reached the level that we can say potential resistant. Maybe the market will end up reversing, but I expect it to reach maybe 2,600 around this level. That will be a proper reversal. Then we can continue going higher. You see that? If that happens, that will be much better. Much better. So at the moment, it seems to be trying to reverse to the previous resistance here, which is here. I'm expecting it to reach this level maybe later today before we see a nice push, or maybe the market might even reach the lowest area here, which is around 580 there. And from there, we can say we can look for a buy. So what I can say here is the market is actually overbought. Expect some serious reversals along the way before we see some very nice push to the upside. I hope that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one. I thought my connection was going to be quite slower, guys. I'm using a device that is not really that quick. So the speed is limited. So now we are on US30. What's really happening on US30, guys? For those who wants to join our team, we still have that special for $27. $27 you pay once, then you're done. Lifetime VIP signal. So let me know if you want to be a part of the team. So you can just scan that QR code or just WhatsApp me straight to that number. And you can see that $27 is actually quite cheaper compared to the actual price of our lifetime signal. So now let's go back on our US30. On US30, we can still see that no, man, the market is still actually willing to go higher, but we still struggle around that level. The overall structure, it is actually a nice uptrend. So let's go closer and see what's really happening. If I can remove this, we already had a pending order there. We can see that this was a proper resistance. So we expect to see the market pushing to the upside from this area. Yes, the market tried to push up, but it reversed. So which means maybe the market wants to retest this level again because it was just like that. So I'm still expecting to see a continuation of this buy, unless if maybe the market wants to reach this support area, because I don't think we have a proper diagonal support there. I think the proper one is going to be this support, this horizontal support, that I think maybe the market might come here, retest from this area, then we can push to the upside. But for now, I think we just need to relax. I still believe that maybe the market will do something around this level, and then we can go even higher, something like that. I believe that things are looking good for US30. Then we expect to see a continuation of that buy. So now we are on Nasdaq. What's really happening on Nasdaq? We can easily see that the market is still on that nice push. Nothing changed from our previous analysis, which it was yesterday, obviously. So, but we can easily see that the market, it is still playing around the support area. So I think this can also be a very nice buy structure for us. So let's try to zoom that a little bit. You can see where we are. The market created a previous resistance. So now the market is back there. So I think this can be a very proper buy. This will be a potential resistance there. As you can see, the market is actually consolidating. Even here, the market might consolidate. I hope you see that. So from there, but I mean, from here, I'm still expecting to see a continuation of that buy. I like the fact that Nasdaq did not really just go crazy after they cut the rates. We started to have smaller moves, consolidation, smaller moves there. So I think we still have enough chance to say we can even go higher than that, you see. So I still believe that we're gonna push to the upside. US oil, what's really happening on US oil? We can see that the market is still on that downtrend structure, guys. The market is still on that downtrend structure. We did smash this one. At the moment, we don't really have any trade. The market did respect this level here. Then the market started to go lower. But we can see that the market is still struggling around this level. So which means I will actually have to wait until the market reaches this resistance there before we go lower. Or maybe the market might break out. And if it breaks out, it means we will look for that buy above that resistance. I hope that makes sense. So let's see if maybe we have something else. Okay. German 40 or German 30. German 40 or German 30. What's happening here? I think the structure is quite straightforward. We were just going up aggressively. We did smash this one. You can see that this was our buy pending order since last week. The market is still playing around. So I think everyone was out on this one. Let me remove that. Let me just add another potential resist. You can see that is a proper resistance area. So we can have this as a potential support because the market might retest here before going higher again, because we are on this nice uptrend structure. So we are actually going to the upside. I hope that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. So anyways, guys, I don't think maybe I need to add much. For those who wants to be part of the team, join our team while things are still cheaper or affordable, $27 lifetime. That it's the price that you can beat actually. So scan that QR code. Then after we're done, this is going to be our normal price. So anyways, thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Bye.